Yes, it's just taking my hot water. Yes, so this is the look that I did for you guys, and if you want to see me achieving this look, then keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe to my channel. See this happy grandma achieving some good looks. Yes, see you at the end of the video.
Yeah, what's up, guys? So I decided that I'm going to do a voiceover for this video. So let's get into it. So I'm quickly going to check myself out. Then I'm going to use this primer from City Color to just prep my skin before I start the whole look. Yes, I just want to have a clean base. Then I'm just going there with a foundation. Then I'm just going to blend. You'll notice most of the time that I'll be dancing, nodding my head. It's because I'm listening to music as I do this video. Yes, to just keep me alive and give me that energy that I need. So I'm just going to blend that foundation out so that I can now be able to start my makeup. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly take this pencil by Davis that I'm going to use to draw my wrinkles. I'm just going to smile so that I can get the wrinkle lines. You'll notice that I'll be making so many funny faces in this video, so pardon me for this. Yes. So I'm just going to quickly do my wrinkles, following my laugh lines and the wrinkles that I have naturally. Yeah, I'm just looking like something else there. Yeah, so I'm trying to get it right. I'm not perfect, so this was something that I was just guessing out of my mind, yeah, and trying to achieve. So if you see me doing things that are not making sense, pardon me for that. So also trying to fake the wrinkles on my forehead. I'm just going to raise my eyebrows and get the wrinkles. Yeah. And also on the sides of my eyes. That's where people wrinkle out. You'll see me doing the most like this. Yo, what's this now? Surely. I'm also trying to get wrinkles on my nose. Do people have wrinkles on their noses, guys? Should let me know in the comments down below. Then to create that effect that my skin is wrinkling down in my neck, I'm going to do that as well. Yeah, then it's time to blend. I'm going to use my foundation brush and just blend the lines for them to look so natural, or more natural. For them to look more natural, I'm just going to blend. This is going to take a while and it needs a lot of patience. Notice that I already changed my face and I'm smiling. Like, that's a funny face I'm making there. Yeah. So then I'm just going to take my Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I am going to define the shades. Okay, the black pencil was to make my wrinkles look defined, but this Pro Concealer is going to make them more defined. Yeah, so basically this is what I'm going to do. Side by side with the pencil, I'm just going to use my Pro Concealer. Yeah, it actually brings out the difference. Notice that under my eye looks like I have sunken eyes. Ah, more and more concealer again. It's never enough, guys. It's never enough until you get what exactly you want. I'm also going to put concealer on my lips to give that effect that my lips are dry, dry, dry. And I'm just going to blend that out. Yes, blending is quite fun. Then I'm just going to go into my eyeshadow palette from Zaron Cosmetics and define the black lines way better. This time using an eyeshadow will make the black lines look faded and way better. So it is a matter of blending and blending and blending out everything. Yeah. Then I just kept adding on the black lines as I blend out and checking myself on the camera's viewfinder to confirm whether I was still looking as a grandma, which was what I was trying to achieve. So I also tried to fake a black eye. Yeah, using the eyeshadow, I just put it on my index finger and just put it on my eye, then blending it out to make it look more natural. You see that difference there? Yeah. Then onto my eyebrows, I'm just going to brush them up. Then I'm going to go in with a white paint and just do my eyebrows. I noticed that I was about to follow my normal or natural eyebrow line, of which I don't have a lot of hair in this case, so I tend to just do it randomly. Yeah, and this is a water-based paint, so when you make a mistake you can just quickly rub it off and it will come out. Then also on my lashes, I wanted to also achieve white lashes, because you're not an elderly person if you don't have white hair. And just blending it out. Okay, now I've said a lot of blending in this video. Yeah, basically I'm just trying to get basically I'm just trying to understand how people do voiceovers. Like, really, it's quite really hard. It's quite hard doing voiceovers. Yeah, so I noticed that on most elderly pics they have unibrows, so I tend to just quickly bring it towards my forehead. I don't know if that's the right word to use, so that I can look like I have a unibrow with white hair. They're now dancing, dancing, dancing to the music in the background. Yo, I was now feeling myself already. Then I went in back with the black pencil to just define the lines further. Yeah. Then quickly blending it out. Again, using the word blending again and again and again. So at this point, I felt like I had done enough for the blending and putting the black lines. Now I needed to go to my hair. I was trying to discover what exactly I need to do to my hair to make me look more old. Then I remembered, yeah, I have some spectacles. So I put on the spectacles to put myself into character, and I remembered I have a wig, so I put the wig on and just did that kitamba on, and voila, it did the magic. Then I quickly painted the wig. I didn't want to paint my wig all white because I want to use it some other time, so I just painted a little bit of strands, the ones that are going to be out of the scarf that I had on. Then I just spaced the hair out so that I can have both sides painted white. Then I tucked in the rest of the hair that wasn't painted. Yeah, and that's how contented I was with the hair. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I was already falling into character. Look how I'm trying to act. Oh my god, I know I am very poor at acting. Oh man. Yes, and guys, I hope you like this look. Yes, this is basically what I achieved. The rest of it all is just me acting and doing the abnormal things that I normally do when I'm shooting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Now I'll just go back to my coffee and relax and enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Moi Day, guys. Bye.
Like this video and share with your friends. Till next time, guys. Bye. Yeah.